Hi all, I hope you've been well. To start, we need some warm milk. Microwave the milk for about 20 seconds. It should be just warm to the touch. Not too hot and not too cold. If the milk is too hot, it might kill the yeast. Now, add the dried yeast and mix very well. Take your time, the yeast should melt. Well, mostly. Then cover and set aside for later use. Now, combine the granulated sugar and orange zest in a medium-sized bowl. Press down with a large wooden spoon until the mixture becomes moist. We are basically extracting the essential oils from the orange zest. You could also rub it between your fingers, which is more efficient, but it is somewhat messier, so I prefer a wooden spoon. Transfer the infused sugar to a stand mixer or a large mixing bowl. Add salt and sift in the flour. Make a well in the middle and add the liquids. 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, and the milk and yeast mixture. Start mixing and kneading until smooth. At this point, you might need to add some extra flour. The dough should start to slightly separate from the sides of the bowl. The time has come to add the softened butter. Add about a tablespoon or 2 at a time and wait until it is completely absorbed before you add another batch. Continue kneading for up to 5 minutes or until the mixing bowl is clean. Yes, the sides of the bowl should be clean. Cover the dough and let it rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. The rising will take quite a long time, 2 to 3 hours. Again, make sure you let the dough rise in a draft-free, very warm environment. This is critical because if it is too cold, the dough will not rise. So finally, after the dough has doubled in size, punch it down in the middle to deflate. Butter a tart pan. If you don't have a similar pan with low walls, you could simply place it on a piece of parchment paper. But I find it is much easier to shape the brioche in a round tart pan. Form a dough ball and place it in the pan. Poke a hole in the middle with your index finger and enlarge to form a circle. For the French people, or for those who know what this means, if you have a fève, which is a French trinket, hide it underneath the dough now. Cover and let rise for 45 minutes. Preheat the oven and whisk 1 egg with a tablespoon of milk to make the egg wash. Gently brush the brioche, then sprinkle evenly with pearl sugar. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. While still hot out of the oven, brush the brioche with orange marmalade or apricot jam. Decorate with maraschino cherries and candied orange peels. The marmalade will solidify and hold the fruit in place. It will also help to keep the moisture inside. This is it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please write me in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Also, if you were to hit that like button, I'd really appreciate it. I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!